Hey everybody, I'm Drew from MakerMade, and I just got done unboxing my new M2, and I wanted to go over a couple quick things for the first shipment that unfortunately you'll have to modify. So, let me switch my camera. So, the two quick fixes that we have to look at is first, right here on this side. So this micro USB port actually is the wrong one that is open. It should actually be the one that's right here. So you'll have to either modify this case by maybe cutting a little hole right here, because that's the one that we need to plug our computer into, or you can just have this whole thing outside of the case and just take the entire DO board out of the case. But that is the incorrect port that we will plug into. And the second thing that's unfortunately happening is when it gets moved around in shipping, you can see that the heatsink on some of these are coming loose right here, and this heatsink is popping off, just like it popped off on mine. Now, this isn't a vital part. It's totally fine. You can cut with the M2 without this and just completely leave it off. But if you want, you can clean all of this off of there, and you can use new thermal paste to put it back on there. You don't want to use any type of glue except thermal paste to make sure that it sticks on there really well. But like I said, it's totally non-vital, and you can leave it off. All right, so I hope that was helpful to be able to go through the couple fixes that you might have to do on your new M2 for this very first batch. We'll get them fixed in the subsequent batches that'll be shipping out, but just something to keep an eye out for. If you need any help at all, go ahead and send us an email or hit us up on social media, and we'll make sure that you're cutting away. Take care and have fun.